Okay, I just realized that we hadn't done this example, so we're going to do this quickly first before you move on to do your homework. Let's take a look here. Okay, Isaac and his dear friend Marty traveled back in time to 1926. They were stuck there for 6 months while Marty fixed the DeLorean. In that time, they got a job and managed to save up 3 months' salary, which was a whopping $309. Before they departed, Isaac put it into a bank account that paid 7% compounded interest. How much money was waiting for him when he got back to the future? Okay, so how many years was it there? This is 2020, so we're going to assume they come back to 2020 minus 1926. 2020 minus 1926 means that it sat in the bank account for 94 years. That's a long time for money to sit around and do nothing. Let's put down our A pin down the side, A, P, I, N. We're calculating the A. The principal is how much money they put into it. So it was that whopping $309. $309 they're going to put into the bank account. And it's compounded at 7%. So we got to write that as a decimal, 0.07. Remember, 7 divided by 100 is going to give you 0.07. And your N is how many times you get interest. Well, we're getting interest once a year for 94 years. So let's put in 94. Now, remember our formula, A equals P 1 plus I to the N. And let's fill in the numbers. $309, 1 plus 0.07 to the exponent of 94. Let's plug that into our calculator. So clear this out. 309, bracket, 1 plus 0.07, close off our bracket, to the exponent, 94. How much money was waiting for them when they got back to the future? $178,662. $178,660. I'm going to say 663. We're going to round it to the closest decimal place, or closest whole number. Now, remember, they only put in $309 of their own money. So most of this is interest from the bank. If we want to figure out how much of that is interest from the bank, you have to take, to figure out interest, you take the amount and subtract off what you put into it, which was the principal. So if we do that here, $1,078, 664, I just said that wrong. $178,663, and we're going to subtract off $309, which is basically piddlings. So subtract 309, and we get 354 on the end. So 178, 300 and oops, that's not a 3. $354. So that's a lot of money that the bank gave you just for letting them keep your money for 94 years. Okay, give some of these compound interest questions a try.